This is the trading review for Monday, the 11th of September 2023. I was looking at Tesla, and in the pre market, we were running up and rejected 266 pretty much. And right before we open, we formed a hammer, setting a nice level for us to short from at the market open. Uh, the the stock today was gapping up quite a lot, so we had two plays, gapping long or a gapping short. We missed out on the short. uh, I lacked a little bit of confidence. The spread was a bit nasty, but we had a nice tax at the bottom. And I noticed that after the first 2 minutes, the price actually stalled and we failed to drop lower than 261. And I was very tempted to make an entry for a long, and it would have been a very nice move of 4 or 5 hour. And then we attempted to drop, and that's when I dropped this, when I saw that we had a very nice buying pressure resistance here. Every time we tried to drop, we got bought right back. This was the last opportunity to go in long. And after the initial test drive, because it was so long, it kind of felt fake. It kind of felt like a dump before a pump. So we this was a very uh, was a lot of conviction in this drop, but it was also way too fast for there to be continuation. And so this was a drive test and then drive again up. So when I noticed that we were returning to the open price, I pulled the trigger for an entry. We had a hammer here, and I wanted the price to continue pushing. We had a really large stack at 266, but it acted kind of as an iceberg for a couple of minutes. So when I first made my entry at the break of the 2 minute candle, uh, with a stop loss of 50 cents at 264.14, and I partial at 2 to 1, which was a bit aggressive, but I kind of felt that the open price was going to be retested again. So I got out at my first partial at 2R, and then I was waiting to partial another 25% at 266, but we failed to break that iceberg. And so when price dropped pretty close to my break even price, and when we bounced, I saw that we were having a lot of selling pressure here, so I decided to get out before the stock decided to drop back to me, because there was not a lot of stacks above 266, and lo and behold, we did drop. This could have been a nice entry right off the bat for a return to the open price and beyond. Uh, but it was a bit more of a gamble as well. But the right opportunity could have been here. I guess the ladder built up more to level two after we failed to drop lower. So this was a little bit of a triangle here. And the open price was very important to determine what kind of day we were gonna have. And so today was not gonna be was not going to stall. So this could have been a really nice opportunity to go long, and then just have a trend day with an ad uh, at a 20 moving average, but it never really had a nice pullback. Yeah, it was running like crazy all the way up to 274. So wow, very nice day for Tesla, close 10% up. So missed out the chunk of the move, but ended up at daily target. So respective rules, with the morning routine, got an excellent market analysis, had understanding the kind of move we were going to have. Pull the trigger. Hesitation after waiting for the right moment. So yeah, here we had a clear rejection of B web, and so it was kind of expected to cross the open price, and we hit goal. 100% execution. We took one trade, one winner, and resulting in 2.1 R, which is the very minimum daily goal, but I don't want to take another trade. And so far I'm liking that. Just looking at one stock. Intraday, it was a gap long. Yes, bullish. Win 2.1. And that's the end of the set 12. So yeah, that's the end of the trading review. Very good day, and missed out on the bulk of the run, but I'm very happy with this entry here, and I almost pulled the trigger here for this big drop, but it is what it is.